Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
On count one. You are guilty.
I-NPA ithi iculisekile ngesinqumo senkantolo ephakeme Western Cape nabathole benecala lokuthumba nokushushumbisa intombazanyana uJohn Smith abasolwa abathathu kulabo abalahlwe icala namhlanje kubalwa nonina kaJocelyn uKelly Smith.
We also have to honor the family's wishes that we cannot change the site, the funeral, the burial sites. We'll have to bury where we normally bury our loved ones.
Undunankulu wase-Free State uMaqueen Letsoha Mathayi uhlangane nemindeni yamaphoyisa amathathu atholwe seshonile emfuleni iHennops eCenturion lamaphoyisa bedabuka kuso lesiyasifundazwe.
There are no black-only areas in South Africa, and there should be no whites-only areas in South Africa. And that's the reason why we are here.
Amalungu e-EFF abemashele endaweni eyizinto esihlala amabhunu ngaphandle kwasePitoli, Kleinfontein, isola le ndawo ke ngokuqhuba ubandlululo kanye nokucwasa. Nabaqambula nkomo kwazilahlekile ziyakufa umdlebo kwaSoshangane siyakhuleka nina bezinyane lengezengeze nazi indaba. I-NPA ithi iculisekile ngesinqumo senkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape nebathole benecala lokuthumba nokushushumbisa intombazanyana uJohn Smith abasolwa abathathu kulabo abalahlwe icala namhlanje kubalwa nonina kaJocelyn uKelly Smith.
Ujaji Nathan Erasmus uthi wonelisekile bobungqina obuveliswe ngumbuso kwelityala.
On count one. You are guilty of a contravention of Section 4(1) of the Act, read with the other legislation on trafficking in persons in relation to Jocelyn Smith. On count two, you are also convicted of kidnapping.
Onina khulu baka Jocelyn bathi abaxolanga ncam.
I am angry because nobody knows if she's still alive, if Jocelyn is still alive.
Igunya abantu lezotshutshiso lithi elityala imbali kweli.
Lityala nika umkhombandlela ngondlela yotshutshisa kwamatyala ikwayinto engazange yenzeka ngaphambili enokuthi ikhombise ukuthi amatyala njena siwatshutshisa njani nobheka ngaphambili.
Ujaji akakathabathi isigqibo malunga nokuba uLaurentia Lombatha uza kuxolelwa kusini na emva kokujika abelingqina lombuso. Ityala liza kubuyela eKapa ngoLwesihlanu weveki ezayo ukulungiselela inkqubo yesigwebo. Nanjengoko libatshonele emini ilanga abatyholwa nelanamhlanje liseza kutshona uluntu laseMzantsi Afrika lungayazi ukuba kwenzeka ntoni kuJocelyn. Ithemba lelokuba ngenye imini kuseza kukhanya ityhileke inyani. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndinguSiphiwe Wobasi eSaldanha Bay.
Undunankulu wase-Free State uMaqueen Letsoha Mathayi nowengamele zokuphepha uJabu Mbalula kanye nokhomishana amaphoyisa esifundazweni eFree State bavakashela imindeni emithathu yamaphoyisa ukuyoxoxisana nayo mayelana namalungiselelo omngcwabo lamaphoyisa azongcwatshwa ngokwehlukana.
Free State uthi bebehlele ukuthi umngcwabo lamaphoyisa ubanjwe kanye kodwa imindeni inezindawo ezahlukene zokungcwaba.
The families have different burial sites. The family of Senukhe has a site in Bloemfontein that is called South Park. The family of Linda from Bloemfontein as well. They got the family burial site of their own in what we call Makengenen, the old cemetery of Mangaung. The family of Bays, they are residing in Bloemfontein, but they bury as well in Tabanchu. So all of them have their own burial sites, and that's what led to this decision of making sure that we give them a uniform funeral, but we also have to honor the family's wishes that we cannot change the site, the funeral, the burial sites. We'll have to bury where we normally bury our loved ones.
Sonto elizayo kuzobanjwa inkonzo yesikhumbuzo yalamaphoyisa mathathu.
12 o'clock we'll be having a memorial service at Bobby's Park. But the official funeral, it's in terms of South African Police Services protocols, that they'll have their colleagues in uniform, the salutations, the handing over of a South African flag.
Uzoba ngolwesine lwesonto elizayo, omunye ngolwesihlanu bese kuthi ogcina uzobanjwa ngomgqibelo.
Ubuholi bebhodeli lawulisizinda sendawo ehlala amabhunodwa eKleinfontein ngaphandle kancane kwasePitoli beyayiphika inkulumo ezithi le ndawo isadla ngolidala ngokuqhuba ubandlululo nokucwasa kwabebala elinsundu. iEFF namhlanje Holly Marsh ebibheke kule ndawo.
Ubuholi beqembu eGauteng namalungu athile eParliament bebehamba kanye nezinkumbi zabalandeli bephikelele eKleinfontein. iEFF ikhala ngokuthi izizinda zeindawo ezifuzelezi ezivubele ubandlululo ngenxa yokuthi kuhlala kuzo labo abasanenzondo ngabebala elinsundu. Bafuna ukukhuthaza uhulumeni ngokuthi zingavunyelwa indawo eziqhuquzela uhlango lodwa kuphela kuzo.
If you look at the background of Kleinfontein in itself, it's under the premise that they are led by Verwoerd, and it comes from that perspective. And we know who Verwoerd is. He was the catalyst in terms of ensuring that there's a system called apartheid that is instituted in South Africa, and they are really just hiding under the guise of a culture. But if the cultural practice in itself is in discrimination of a particular race in South Africa, we're going to call for it as the EFF, because we are a non-racist organization.
Abangamabhuna ahlala kule ndawo bathi ukuqoqana kwabo ngabodwana eKleinfontein akuhlobene nokuthi basagubuzelo ubandlululo.
Kleinfontein as a cultural society do our own work. It's our own people that work in the gardens, it's our own people that work in the houses. The construction is done by our own people. It's Afrikaners that do everything. And that's a false pretense that was posed to the people here, that we reach back to the old slavery or to the old apartheid. It's not that. This is a cultural community. We do our own dirty work and we clean our own trash. It's not like it used to be.
Bekwandiswe isibalo esiqinile samaphoyisa ukuzolawula isimo eKleinfontein.
Imndeni esakhalela ukuthi kwenze ubulungiswa isamukela isimemezelo sikaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa sokusungulwa kwesicwawu esizophenya ngokubambezeleka kokushushisa emacaleni enzeka ngesikhathi sobandlululo. Lesicwawu kuhloswe ngaso ukuthola amaqiniso nesiphetho kulolu daba.
Esalinde ubulungiswa kubalwa umndeni kaFort Calata owabe eyingxenye yeCraddock Farm. uCalata wathunjwa wasocwangwa ngamaphoyisa ombuso wobandlululo ngo-1985 kanti umndeni wakhe ugculisekile ngesinyathelo sokusungulwa kophenyo.
Here that President Cyril Ramaphosa has now publicly announced that he is setting up this commission of inquiry. We do believe that it is the right thing to do. We would, however, like to urge the president to act very fast in ensuring that he publishes or that he announces at least the terms of reference, the judge that will preside over the commission of inquiry, and the starting date of this commission.
Sicwawu kuza njengoba imindeni eminingi safuna izimpendulo ngokubulawa kwabathandiweyo bayo.
The ANC governments, dating back all the way to 2003, to have investigated and prosecuted our father's killers as per the recommendations of the TRC. But that didn't happen. Hence, we hope that this commission of inquiry will now tell us who those people were that sold out our father's sacrifices and ensured that their killers died without ever having been responsible or having been held responsible for taking our fathers away from us.
Parliamente elibhekele ezobulungiswa lisamukele lesimemezelo.
Lihlehliselwe uLwesibili oluzayo icala elibhekene nowesilisa oneminyaka engama-54 obudala osolwa ngokudubula-bulala umfundi waseWalter Sisulu University. Kuleso sigameko ombukeli kwalimala abantu ababili.
Bebephume ngobuninzi bezokuxhasa iintsapho zabafundi abachaphazelekayo mhla bevulelwa ngembumbulu. Nanjengoko abanye bebengavunyelwanga ungena enkundleni, kodwa baye balinda ngaphandle bememelela ukuba kube khona ubulungiswa.
Ayizange yakhe yenzeka into ba imagistrate ibe ready, umtshutshisi abe ready, igqwetha libe ready, even nomcuphi abe ready into ba ayosa i-evidence. Then into esibethayo nje qha intoni yicourt uba kungabikho mbani. Ixelela uba ke lonto siswami kukhona abantu abangamelanga into abenza lo msebenzi bawenzayo apha ecourt. Ithi ke lonto leyo sizawubhalela all the relevant authorities.
Omele abafundi kule university uthi abazukutyhafa eqinisekiseni ukuba iintsapho zifumana ubulungiswa.
We are very much disappointed on that, but also singapheli imali ngoba nangolelo sibili lamhla ka6 xa iphinde vela futhi Mr. Mambala sizobe silapha.
Unobhala wabafundi abebefunda eWSU uthi iyabaxhalabisa into yokuba limiswe ityala kuba ingabenza baphulukane namangqina.
Justice delayed sizamouti is justice denied, because once you continue ufaka as a postponements, families will not be able ukuba zibe nemali yokuqhubekeka zisiya ecourt.
Ujongene netyala lokubulala namatyala amabini okuzama ukubulala. Umrhanelwa lowo ke useluvalelweni. NdinguNomzwanele Mngoma kwiindaba ze-SABC eMthatha.
Mbukeli sathi qobe itolo noma besibuya sizophathela udaba oluthi.
We thrive that as we continuously make this call that the law enforcement in particular needs to come on board.
Inkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi eGoli City Power isaqhubeka nemizamo yokubuyisa ugesi ezingxenyeni zedolobha ehanjelwe ugesi ngemva kokuqubuka komlilo emgodini ngaphansi komgwaqo uM1. Asibungu lesikwamukela ngosanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi selibalahlile icala abasolwa abathatha bebesolwa ngokuthumba nokushushumbisa intombazanyana uJoshlin Smith. Leli cala belibhekene nomama kaJoshlin Smith uJacqueline Botha Apollos kanye noStephen van Ryn. Mbukela sikhumbuze ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo. Amakhulu ezakhamuzi zaseThekwini kanye naseyingxenyeni ezakhelelo umkhandlu udolobha abambe imashi efuna qiniswa isandla kanye nomthetho obhekiswa kwabokufika kuleli. Izakhamuzi ikhala ngokuthi liphezulu izinga labantu abangasebenzi kanye nobugebengu buthe bhe kule ndawo.
Izakhamizi eThekwini zithi sekunele ziphume ngobuningi ukuzozwakalisa ilaka lazo ngabo kufika abakuleli bengenazo izincwadi ezibagunyazayo. Laba bathi babathathela imisebenzi. Lenhlangano iMarch in March ithi abokufika kuleli abangenawo amakhono baqashwa bathathe imisebenzi yabantu bakuleli.
The biggest demands that we have is one, putting South Africans first. Second to that, creating employment that prioritizes South Africans. I mean, in a country that's got so much unemployment, you need to put South Africans first.
Abanye bebekule mashi bathi sebelahlekelwe imisebenzi ngoba benqabe ukuthi bakhokhelwe imali ngaphansi kwemali ekamwe uhulumeni ukuthi bakhokhelwe yona. Kodwa bokufika bona bamukela le mali encane.
Abaqashi basala abantu labo bokufika bebona babasebenzisayo. Sometimes basebenzisa even in stage basebenzisa amakhadi wethu ukuthi angakwazi ungena bona. Sisibe kuma short time kusebenze bona and bavuma imali engekho.
Amaqembu afana no-Action SA, i-Patriotic Alliance, ne-IFP kanye ne-ATM bebeyingxenye yale mashi.
Sila ngoba sithanda izwe lethu. South Africa njengamanje isesimeni la khona sokwamachanca nginabantu bokufika bezenzela umathanda.
Indawo edayisa noma idayisa ukudla awukwazi ukuthi ungaqasha abantu abaningi bokuhamba kuneyinkumbulo zabantu bakithi intshe kakhulukazi esela umsebenzi. Sathi si-IFP at least 70% abantu abaqashwayo.
We came here to support residents, citizens of South Africa, who are saying, let us come together outside of party politics and let us have a voice as South Africans to say enough is enough. We want illegal immigrants out of our country. We are calling for the mass deportation of all illegal immigrants. We are calling for our borders to be secured. And that's why we are here, because South Africans want their voices to be heard.
Isisebenzi sikamasipala weTheku samukele uhla lwezikhalazo sathembisa ukudlulisa loluhla eminyangweni efanele. Londi Khatebe, SABC News, eThekwini.
Kampani ephakela ngogesi edolobheni iGoli City Power yaqhubeka nemizamo yokulungisa ingqala sizinda ecekeleke phansi ngesikhathi kuqubuka umlilo ngaphansi komgwaqo uM1.
Lo mlilo oqubuke ngaphansi komgwaqo M1 ngesithuba zasekuseni izolo uphazamise izintambo zogesi eziphakathi kweziteshi Braamfontein neFortsburg. Inkampani ephakela ugesi City Power iyaqhubeka nokwenza imizamo yokubuyisa amandla ogesi kuleli dolobha.
We are currently cleaning up the rubble. We've started cleaning up the rubble after the incident, and this will actually give us an indication as to how far we should be able to activate our restoration plan.
Isikhulu esibhekele ukusebenza kwansuku zonke kweCity Power sithi kusobala ukuthi lezigilamkhuba ezeba izintambo zogesi zenza lo mkhuba ngesikhathi esifanayo unyaka nonyaka njengoba nangonyaka odlule kwenzeka into efanayo. Ubese nxusa nokuthi abomthetho nabo bangenelele.
We thrive that as we continuously make this call that the law enforcement in particular needs to come on board in trying to make sure that this infrastructure underground is highly protected. Because even though as things stand, our people, before they go in and so forth, we have to send patrols, security to sweep in, even though they want to do regular maintenance. And we believe that is not supposed to be the case.
Lenkampani ithi ungamaphesenti angama-24 umsebenzi osuwenziwe kulungisa umonakalo wengqala sizinda yogesi.
Inqwaba yezitshalo eseduze komfula iValley icileke phansi ngesikhathi kuneyikhukhula kuleya ndawo. Abatshali eBloemhof kanye naseChristiane Northwest bashayeke kakhulu njengoba abanye babo bethi ngeke babe nayo ke imali yokuthenga enye imbewu ukuze batshale.
Inhlekelele yamanzi. Izitshalo eziningi zikaBerry van Vuuren zikuguleke nezikhukhula. Uthi leli sekuyihlandla lesikhombisa ipulazi lakhe likhahlanyezwa izikhukhula seloku alithenga eminyakeni emihlanu edlule.
Financially, it's total financial ruin if your crop is flooded. You can't recoup nothing of it, and you must. For instance, if you replant lucerne, it's costing more than 20,000 rand a hectare.
Izikhukhula zenze umonakalo omkhulu etshalweni.
Impact on the farmers are quite severe, especially the farmers next to the river. They lost about everything. There's no crop that's been left over next to the river that I know of. Everything is in the water and rotten up now.
Izakusebenza zokulima nazo zikhahlamezekile nje kuzothatha abalimi amasonto ambalwa ukuhlola izindleko zonke zalomonakalo.
Umnyango wezokuthutha kuzwelonke uthi wazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi ukungasebenzi komshini oshicilela amakhadi okushayela into ebaphithanisa ikhanda abashayeli. Ingcezu zalomshini imbukeli ihanjisiwe zayiswa phesheya kwezilwandle ziyolungiswa. Okhulumela umnyango wezokuthutha kuzwelonke uKholeni Msibi utshela iziko leindaba zeSABC ukuthi lo mshini ogxiviza amakhadi amalicense ufile ingcezu zawo isazothathwa ziyolungiswa phesheya.
Umshini osumdala vele. Umshini owafakwa ngo1998. So inkinga esinayo ukuthi ama parts alomshini mayephukile asisawatholi la eSouth Africa, siwatholi kufuneka siye eFrance siyowalanda khona.
uSuperintendent Xolani Fihlo okhulumela amaphoyisa omkhandlu udolobha iGoli uchaza kabanzi ngokumele kwenziwe abashayeli uma behlangana namaphoyisa omgwaqo emgwaqeni.
Mawe renewile i-driving license yakho uthola nane i-receipt eshoyo ukuthi we-renewe nini, and it also serves as proof of payment.
Nabantu bayakhala bathi-ke lokho kuzoba nomthelelo ongemuhle kubona.
Umsebenzi ngisebenza udinga ukuthi ngibe sendleleni njalo nje, so manganawo amaphepha kuba yinkinga ke lokho, ngoba bakhona osongigwaqo, bakhona amaphoyisa laphayana, singafacea ama-penalties, kunzima kakhulu for thina.
Thina siyimboni yama-driving school, ukuhamba kwesikhathi siyayibona ukuthi izoba nomthelela ongemuhle, ikakhulukazi emabhizinisini ethu kanye nakubafowethu nodadewethu abanama-license, abanama-temporary license, abafisa ukubona ikuthola ikhadi.
Malami nguCalvin wakwaDludla, ey'ndabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli. Mhlahlo isimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu. Buke sibika lapha besikuphathele zona ngolika Mageba, kusasa bakhona uzakwethu ngolimi lesiXhosa. Usale kahle.